Alright, a linear inequality is different than slope-intercept form in only that you have to add an extra 2 steps to it. So let me show you what I mean. So you've got your -2 is where it's starting, so on our y-intercept right there, and then our slope is down 1 over 2, or up to, or, excuse me, I did that backwards. That was down 1 over 2. I said it, but I didn't write it. So down 1 over 2, or up 1 backwards 2. Now here's where it goes different. You've got to decide, should this be a dashed line or a solid line? And if it's equal to, then make it a solid line. And then the second way this is different is you've got to do some shading. So should this be shaded above the line or below the line? And to do that and decide that, you've got to decide what the symbol says. It says y is less than. So here's my y-intercept. So we want to go below it for less than. So we're going to shade down the section. Now let's switch over to our other line. I'll switch colors to help us out. This one starts up at +3, and it goes down 3 over 1. Down 3 over 1, down 3 over 1. So we found the spot. And it's going to be a solid line again, because we've got the or equal to, and it also says less than. So when I go, let me grab my highlighter here. It says less than, so at my y-intercept, I need to go below the line. So below the line would be this direction. So you can see where they overlap, and that's the section we were looking for an inequality, not just the point they intersect, but the place they overlap. So right here would be our solution area. So when you're starting on your example over here, I want to make sure that you put that into slope-intercept form. So each of these need to be rearranged, but also you're going to have to divide by a -3 right here as your last step. Make sure you still apply your inequality rule where you divide by a negative, you flip the inequality sign. That's still true.